Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. On this channel, I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 200 pounds on keto and how you can be successful eating ketogenically as well. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to stick around for more videos like this one to help you on your own keto weight loss journey. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you everything I ate on my ketogenic journey for maintenance. So I have finally reached a place where I want to stay for a little while, and I have altered my food choices to stay keto but keep my calorie level at the same level I'm burning so that I can stay at the same weight. So if you're looking for weight loss videos, I'm going to go ahead and link my weight loss food playlist here so that you can go check that out. But if you're curious about what I'm doing to develop my own maintenance eating plan, stick around and see what I ate this week on keto. Alrighty everyone, it's Sunday. It's Sunday about noon and I am having my first meal of the day. I'm having leftover Topples that I made for my kids that they didn't eat, so I kind of guesstimated on the macros on those. I'm having a peanut butter cookie from ketocakeutah.com and a Primal Thin protein bar. The problem with this is that it's basically the same protein and the same fat. So it's like 50 and 50. I can't quite figure out how to do the higher fat without getting the protein in. I really love these bars, but I'm going to probably have to not do them anymore because they're not higher enough in fat for what I'm trying to do here. So that's going to be my first meal of the day. This is probably my first of 3 meals that I'm going to do today. So we'll see how it goes, but that's my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, meal number 2. I am having 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 10 pepperonis, and a teaspoon of Rao's arrabbiata sauce, and 150 grams of Fage Greek yogurt with 4 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and lemonade meal water enhancer. That's going to be my second meal of the day. Alright everyone, it's Sunday night and I am having my last meal of the day. I have 5 ounces of top round roast with a cup of zucchini and 30 grams of onion. And then I'm going to be having some of these Winky Rind Jellos, and I have tracked the entire can of this whipped cream. I probably won't eat all of it. I hope I won't eat all of it, but I tracked it. And it will put me over my calories a bit, but I did go hiking today, so I don't feel so bad about that. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty guys, it's Monday, and I am breaking my fast with a new chaffle, and I wanted to show you how I was putting it together. These are just my regular chaffles, the sweet ones that I make for blueberries. I added an ounce of cream cheese to these just because I'm trying to raise my fats a little bit, and it ended up making one little skinny, little tiny extra one because I think my eggs were a little bigger than normal. So basically, the basic recipe for these is 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 2 eggs. I did use, like I said, an ounce of cream cheese, but you do not have to. A little bit of sugar-free syrup and some stevia and cinnamon and vanilla. So that's how I make these. You can see my recipe for the blueberry chaffles to get that. Then I made up this little thing of strawberry topping. I used 1 tablespoon of granular erythritol in here with 80 grams of strawberries and just waited for it to sit and make a syrup. I am going to put that on top of my chaffles. Alright, I got all my strawberries on here, and now I am going to weigh out my whipped topping. Topping that I'm using is my favorite. It's Walmart Great Value sugar-free whipped heavy cream. There's 0 carbs in this. If you don't eat the entire can, it probably have some carbs if you eat the entire can. Oh my heck, why won't that focus? So I want to use, I don't know how much I'm going to use. I think I'm just going to weigh it out and then track it after because I can do that because I haven't eaten anything yet today. So I'm going to put this to 0 and then just spray on how much I think should go on, I guess. That's what, 7 grams? About 6 grams. That's a serving basically of this per thing. Alright, so 35 grams is how much I'm going to enter into my tracker, and then I'm having 50 grams of avocado, and I don't have it on here yet, but I'm also having 44 grams of center cut bacon, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, here I am at the dance studio, and I'm going to have my second meal of the day. It is about 5 or 4:30, I think, in the afternoon. And it's been about 4 hours since I've eaten. And so I'm going to have my second meal of the day. I went for getting cheese, but then I thought, oh, I could have a cheddar burst now that I'm doing higher fat. So we're going to try that today. I don't know if that's going to be an ongoing thing, but this is a Hillshire Farms cheddar burst dog with some banana peppers, some pico de gallo, and probably about 10 grams of onion, and a Quest protein cookie. And that is going to be my second meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Monday night and I am having my last meal of the day. I'm having 6 ounces of top round steak with a little au jus made from just bouillon and xanthan gum. So it's kind of a xanthan gum gravy. I don't have that on here yet. I'm going to put it on later. And 2 ounces of provolone cheese. And I have 75 grams of red bell pepper, 20 grams of onion, and a cookie from ketochaosutah.com. It's a peanut butter cookie. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Tuesday afternoon. It is almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I am having my first meal of the day. This morning I am having, or this afternoon I guess, I am having raspberry cream cheese chaffles. So this is basically my blueberry chaffle recipe, but I used raspberries, I broke the raspberries up and pushed them down flat so that they didn't rise up too much in the chaffle maker. And I added an ounce of cream cheese in them and on them. Also some erythritol mixed into that cream cheese that's on top of them. And then I did an extra ounce of mozzarella cheese. So in this recipe, I have used 2 eggs, 3 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 2 ounces of cream cheese, and 54 grams of raspberries, along with sweetener, cinnamon, and vanilla. Then I have 44 grams of center cut bacon, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Everybody, here I am at the dance studio and I'm going to have a second meal. This is pistachios. It's 5:30 in the evening, and a primal thin bar and a pumpkin streusel keto cake from ketochaosutah.com, and that's going to be my second meal of the day. Alrighty guys, it is Tuesday night, it is 11 p.m. and I have been spending the last 2 hours talking to my kid about his wedding and I didn't eat anything, and this is all I got to muster up. So I have just one great value hamburger patty with 21 grams of cheddar cheese on top and 2 Lily chocolate peanut butter cups. That is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Wednesday. I'm at the dance studio and I am having today strawberry cream cheese chaffles, basically made the same way I made the raspberry ones yesterday, only with strawberries, and 4 sausages, Falls brand sausages, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Everyone, it's 5 o'clock. I am at the second dance studio and I am having pizza chaffles. This is cheddar garlic, spinach mushroom, and pepperoni chaffles, and that's going to be my second meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it is Wednesday night. Dave just got in a car accident and it's really late. It's about, I don't even know, 11 o'clock at night, and I'm finally eating my last meal of the day, so I couldn't find anything, and so this is what I threw together. 4 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, a quarter cup of Rouse Arrabbiata marinara, 90 grams of bell pepper, a keto cake from ketochaosutah.com, and I'm going to have a few servings of sugar-free whipped cream. That's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Thursday. I ended up staying home today rather than going to Commonwealth School, so I decided to eat this ribeye steak that's been sitting in the fridge for a few days. So I am having an 8-ounce ribeye steak with a cup of lettuce, 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing, 20 grams of mushrooms, 30 grams of bell pepper, and an ounce of Tillamook medium white cheddar cheese. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Thursday night and I am having a pork chop. It's bone in, so it's 7 ounces with the bone in, so when I'm done I will weigh it out and see how many ounces. I'm guessing about 5.5, and a cup of green beans with salt and a churro keto cake. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everybody, it is Friday. It is almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I am breaking my fast with the first meal of the day. I'm having 4 Falls brand sausages, 2 eggs, and 2 mozzarella cheese worth of chaffles. This is just my regular cinnamon chaffles. I call them French toast chaffles. Nothing in them, no cream cheese, no nothing. With 26 grams of butter. Well, it's this organic, made from butter. It's like coconut oil and stuff. It's the only thing I had. I can't find any butter. Apparently I need to go to the grocery store. But that's what I had on top, 26 grams of that. and 200 grams of 5% Fage Greek yogurt, sweetened with blackberry cherry Mio, and 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, here I am at an activity tonight, and I'm not able to measure my food, so I'm just going to guesstimate, but Dave made keto chili, so I got as much as I felt like I could do, about 3 tablespoons of sour cream and about 1.5 ounces probably of cheddar cheese. And then this is salad. There wasn't any dressing that I can have, so I don't know how much of it I'll eat, but there's nuts. And then someone made this awesome broccoli salad with Splenda, so I'm going to try it. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Saturday, and I am heading out to a mother's retreat, so I'm in the middle of making my food, but I wanted to record it because I'm probably not going to record it when I get there. So in here I have 200 grams of 5% Fage Greek yogurt with 3 tablespoons of heavy cream and some blackberry cherry Mio water enhancer. And then I have this Quest cookie, and I am making blueberry chaffles. I have one more chaffle cooking, and I have made this cream cheese and lemon Mio mixture with a little erythritol, powdered erythritol, to go on top. And in these, this time, instead of cream cheese inside them, I actually put sour cream, so that ought to be interesting. But that's going to be my first and probably second meal of the day. I might split this up because there's a breakfast and a lunch. Don't exactly know how I'm going to arrange it, but I'm not going to film over there, so suffice it to say, this is what I'm going to eat for the first part of the day. Alright everyone, I am heading to the amusement park. I'm in the car, and this is going to be my second meal of the day. I have pizza chaffles, basically made with 2 eggs, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 16 pieces of Hormel pepperoni, 10 grams of spinach, and then I've got 4 Falls brand sausages and some Smart Sweets, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. So there you have it, everything I ate in the last 7 days to maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating. Again, if you're looking for the weight loss videos, check out the end card because I will be linking my weight loss food playlist at the end of this video. But I hope you enjoyed seeing what I'm eating to try and maintain my weight on keto. I'm new at this and I'm just trying to figure it out. So I hope you got some great ideas on what you can try for your own keto maintenance, or maybe even ideas that you can try for your weight loss journey. Who knows? But if you're looking for support for keto, don't forget to check the links in the About section below and join us on Facebook where I can help you out on your own keto journey. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.